Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Ever been automatically logged into a website, but completely drawn a blank on what your password actually is? You're not alone. Maybe you needed to log in on another device. In this quick guide, I'll show you the secure way to view any of your saved passwords right here in Chrome. Let's get started. First, click on your profile picture or the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Chrome. From there, select Google Password Manager. This is the fastest way to get to your passwords. You can also get there through Settings. Just go to Settings, Autofill, and Passwords, Google Password Manager. Next, you'll see a list of all your saved accounts. Scroll or use the search bar to find a specific website login you're looking for. Click on it to expand the details. Here, you'll see your username, but your password will be hidden behind dots. To reveal it, click the Show Password icon. It looks like an eye. Here's the crucial security step. Chrome will now ask you to verify your Windows identity. This is a vital security feature. Enter your computer's login password and click OK. Once verified, your password will be revealed in plain text. You can now click the Copy Password button to easily paste it wherever you need it. A quick and important note: always be cautious when viewing and copying passwords. Make sure you're on a secure and private computer and never share your passwords with anyone you don't trust. Pro tip: if you need to see a password while you're on a login page, just click the password field in the form. A small key icon or a save password pop-up might appear. Clicking on that can often take you directly to the password manager entry for that site. If this quick tip saved you from a frustrating password reset process, please give this video a like. It really helps us out. And subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more straightforward tech guides. Thanks for watching.